Okay, so I've made videos of my vegetable garden. Come on into my backyard. I have a little orchard of trees in here. It's a kumquat tree and Meyer lemon and let's see, pomegranate, that's what I was trying to think of. So this is wisteria and let's see, star jasmine and trumpet vine. This bear's breech has been getting a little warm and dried out. We've had some really hot days, 106 I think it was yesterday. This doesn't look very nice, but yeah, we got a bird of paradise here. This is the pond. So what I have to do now is I have to take this, cut this trumpet vine out of here, and there's a bunch of watercress over there that's getting, it's a little bit, it's getting too warm for the watercress now. So I'm going to take that out of here, and then in the stream I will plant all of that, impatiens in there and really make this beautiful. I just love the way the pond looks with impatiens growing in the stream. Let's see, back there I have a camellia, and it is growing directly in the water. Of course, camellias love water, so why not? This is a Lingularia, and that's the old name. I don't know the new name. They changed the name on it. Lingularia is what, or something like that. I might be pronouncing that a little wrong. But yeah, that's a great plant. I really should divide that. Get a few more of those going. Anyway, I think yeah. So this is my pond in our backyard.